Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking, and today's video is just a clean along with me. If you are looking for some cleaning motivation, some help to tidy up around your home, today's video is just for you. So let us dive right in. So today's video is just basically a clean along with me. If you are looking for some cleaning motivation or someone to be cleaning along with you or have somebody in the background, I hope this video will be very helpful for you. I am just removing the dust, just wiping away some dust, and I'm going to do the floorboards too. Floorboards have been needing a clean for quite some time, so this is the best day for me to tackle them. I have seen some people have been asking what's the best way to clean your floorboards. If you look on the right hand corner over here, I've got a video that I did a few years back just doing some floorboards in the kitchen and in the living room. So if this video is helpful for you, please let me know in the comment section below, or you can send me a DM. Now that we've officially entered summer, we have the windows open quite often, and I find that a lot of dust gets collected. So I try to hoover a few more days more frequently than I normally do, just to get rid of that dust. And I'm going to do some laundry, so I'm going to put away some of my clothes. And yeah, I hate laundry, but putting it away sometimes is even the bigger task. So I'm just going to do it all today because I have the energy. All the clothes have now been packed away, and I'm putting them all where they belong. I have finally completed my laundry task. There's still a lot in the washing machine, but one task at a day. So now we're going to do some floors. Do you guys own one of these spray mops, like a Veleda spray mop or anything like that? I recently read somewhere where someone was saying that they don't think that these spray and mop floor cleaners are very effective. They don't clean the floors as well. If you have one, please let me know how well it works for you. Is it something that you prefer over a bucket and a mop? Now into the kitchen, I'm just going to give the washing machine a quick clean, just to wipe outside. A bit of detergent spilt on there, and it just needs a quick clean. And I have not actually done a deep clean on a washing machine in a long time, so look forward to that if you are interested. And then I'm just going to do a quick restock on some cereal as well. I've also noticed that a lot of people enjoy these type of videos because they need somebody to clean along with them, or they need the cleaning motivation. Whatever your reason is, honestly, I hope you've enjoyed these videos and you find them to be helpful and motivating. Let me know what kind of content you guys would like more, want more to see. I know a lot of you enjoy just watching someone clean to give you that motivation to complete those tasks that you have been putting off for a long time, or you just need somebody in the background to just do the task along with you. So I'm happy that these videos are helpful to you guys. Okay. So that is it in terms of the cleaning today. So please note that this video was done in a compilation of about 2 days. I did not do all these tasks in one day. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful and motivating. You know, it's about 6 minutes, and you can do a lot in 6 minutes if you set yourself the task, the challenge, and set a timer. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys on the next upload, which will be on Friday. You guys have a good day. Bye.